Hey everyone! Welcome to Cam's Purple Corner, and I'm so glad you're here. If you're new to caregiving, you're in the right place. Caregiving can be a rewarding yet challenging journey, and I'm here to help you navigate it. Today, I'm sharing the top 5 essential tips every new caregiver needs to know. These tips will help you build a strong foundation and make your caregiving experience smoother. Let's dive in. For starters, you want to begin with a plan. Think of it like a roadmap. Just as you wouldn't embark on a road trip without a plan, you shouldn't start caregiving without one either. Create a daily routine that includes care tasks, meals, medications, and downtime. This routine will help you stay on track and ensure that nothing important is overlooked. Structure can bring a sense of peace and predictability, which is beneficial for both you and your loved one. Trust me, it makes a huge difference. A well-thought-out plan can reduce stress and make your caregiving duties much more manageable. Number 2, stay organized. Whether it's a calendar, an app, or even a binder, keep track of appointments, medications, and important information all in one place. This will save you time and prevent any mix-ups. Organization is your best friend when things get hectic. Having everything in order allows you to focus on providing the best care possible. Tip number 3, communicate. Open communication with family members, healthcare providers, and your loved one is key. Keeping everyone informed ensures that everyone is on the same page and working towards the same goals. Don't be afraid to ask questions, take notes, and express any concerns. Clear communication can prevent misunderstandings and ensure that your loved one receives the best care possible. Open and honest dialogue can derail any issues moving forward and make sure everyone is on the same page. It's essential for creating a supportive caregiving environment. Now, self-care is a must. You can't pour from an empty cup, so prioritize breaks, rest, and activities that recharge you. Taking care of yourself is just as important as taking care of your loved one. It's okay to ask for help when you need it. Don't hesitate. Reach out to friends, family, or support groups. You're not alone in this journey. Remember, self-care isn't selfish, it's necessary. You have to put you first so that you can be there for them. And last but not least, be patient. Be patient with your loved one and with yourself. Caregiving isn't always easy, and it's important to give yourself grace. Some days will be tough, and that's okay. It's normal to feel overwhelmed at times. Celebrate the small wins and remember you're doing something amazing. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory. Patience is key on this journey. It helps you stay calm and focused, even during difficult times. Starting out as a caregiver is a huge step, and learning as you go is part of the process. Embrace the journey and know that you're making a positive impact. Take it one day at a time, and remember, you are making a difference in someone's life. Your efforts are appreciated. Thanks for stopping by Cam's Purple Corner. If you'd like more informative content, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps me to continue to provide valuable videos. And don't forget that notification bell. Stay up to date with my latest videos and tips. Until next time, bye everyone, take care and happy caregiving.